Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 7th algorithm video, and in this video we will be seeing that if a given number is a power of 2, the given number is 8, I would be making a flag variable. What are flag variables? Flag variables are basically signals or indicators telling whether a given condition has been met or not. I have given a value of 0, meaning that at this point of time the condition has not been met. However, when the code runs and the condition is met, I will reset to a value of 1. Then I make a variable of power and I give it a value of none. This power variable is used as a placeholder value, and this is necessary to indicate that even if the condition is not met, it is still given a value of none. However, if the condition that a number is a power of 2, then it would be replaced. This none value would be replaced, right? So I make a for variable for I in range 1 till number plus 1, right? So if your number is equal to 2 raised to power I, so what is 2 raised to power I? 2 raised to power I is 2, we are basically checking a power of 2, and I is the iterator, and I it would come 1, 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, and since 2 raised to power 3 is 8 and 8 is equal to the initial number 8, so this condition would be met. So if so for example the if condition is true, so I would say power is I. Now I have replaced the none with I, indicating that I would now be that the exponent has been found, and now I have replaced the none value with the exponent, and I will also update the flag variable to 1, indicating that the situation has been met, the condition has been met. So the flag variable indicates that we need to change it from 0 to 1. However, if the if condition is not true, we say continue with the next iteration, right? So when the for loop completes, we say if flag is equal to 1, meaning that the condition, whether the condition has been met or not, we print yes, the number is a power of 2, and we say power. Else, if the flag value is still 0, we say print no, the number is not a power of 2. Okay, now I click play. So you can see the number 8 is a power of 2 and the exponent is 3, right? However, if I change the number to 98, now if I click play, so the answer is no, the number is not a power of 2. This is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.